welcome back to our special edition of Pajama Science. Today we're going to be making treasure maps. And all we need to have is some lemon juice. And you can use regular juice from a lemon. You can also use milk. You can use baking soda. Any of those things will work. If you're using baking soda, make sure you make a baking soda solution, so add some water to it. So I just put our lemon juice into this bowl, and I have paintbrushes and paper, and we are going to make some treasure maps. So now we let it dry, and then we can watch our invisible ink appear. So these are mostly dry. Merlin's is a little bit more wet, and that's okay. He just used a little bit more water. Next time, it might be easier if we kind of dry off the brush a little bit before putting it on there. So that might make it dry a little faster, kind of like mine. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna stick this in the preheated oven. Open it up.
Mine is
and I'm just going to put these on this middle one here.
Mine is much longer than yours. Do you think this is
And I'm going to set the timer for 10 minutes.
Do you think this is a good one?
Your map is going to be great, buddy. And now we just wait. And I like to put my oven light on, and that way I can kind of see the process happening.
So we can know if it's gonna burn or not.
It won't burn, buddy. But what you will see is that the lemon juice actually is an acid. And so what happens is that it burns at a faster rate than the paper would. And so you see these blackening or brown color around it when you won't see that on the rest of the paper. You can see that lemon juice burned it at a faster rate in those areas. And we have our very own treasure maps.
You're right, that one's yours and that one's mine.
So I hope you guys have fun with this project, and you can always use it in the future when you're trying to play pirates. Have fun!